Have you ever wondered how a completely new animal or plant appears on Earth, something that didn't exist before? It might sound like magic, but it's actually nature doing what it does best, adapting, changing, and evolving over time. Let's take a little journey into the world of evolution. Imagine a group of birds living on a large island. One day, a storm carries a few of them to a much smaller nearby island. Now, the environment there is different. Maybe the food is tougher to crack open or there are new predators around. Over many generations, the birds on the new island start to change. Their beaks grow stronger, their behavior shifts. Little by little, they become different from the birds on the original island, and eventually they become so different that they can't even mate with the original group anymore. That's when a new species is born. This process is called speciation, and it happens slowly, sometimes over thousands or even millions of years. Nature makes tiny changes through something called genetic mutations. These are like small mistakes in the DNA that can lead to new traits. Most mutations don't do much, but once in a while, one helps the animal or plant survive better in its environment. Those traits get passed down, and the species slowly shifts. One famous example is Darwin's finches in the Galapagos Islands. These birds had different beak shapes depending on which island they lived on and what kind of food they ate. It was one of the first clues that helped scientists understand how new species can evolve based on their surroundings. Sometimes new species can even form more quickly, especially in isolated environments like islands, deep caves, or mountaintops. When a group is cut off from the rest of its kind, it starts to follow its own path of evolution, like a new story being written from the same book. So next time you see the wide variety of life around you, different cats, frogs, flowers, or fish, remember that they all came from a common past. The way they look today is the result of countless changes, challenges, and time. Nature never stays still. It's always experimenting, always evolving, and every now and then something entirely new comes into the world.